Welcome everyone back to my channel. Today we are playing Ragdoll engine. And oh man, hi. And check this cool new merch out that I made. 𝓬𝓵𝓵. Okay, get away from me. Okay? Give me a second. Oh my. But yeah, so I made this sweet new 𝓬𝓵𝓵 merch. Go check that out. If you want to buy it, go check it out. I will link in the description below, a link to my group where you can go buy my merch. So yeah. All right. A little special treat for you guys today. So we're playing Ragdoll engine for Weird Wednesday because it's a very odd game, but it has a lot of people playing. And a special treat for you guys is, okay, get away from me. I bought the push game pass so we can push other people. So let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm so mean. Oh my gosh, she pushed me. I'm so mean. I'm getting you back. I'm getting you. Yeah, I got her. Oh, he has it too. Okay, I'm getting away from over here. Ooh. I'm gonna get her. Ha! Why me? Why? Oh my! Guys, what the heck happened there? I was trying to push that guy down earlier and I couldn't. Maybe, did he like make the game or something? I can't get up. I couldn't push him down when I was trying earlier. Wait a second. Okay, that was really, really weird. I'm still kind of like in shock. I'm gonna go in this thing. 𝓬𝓵𝓲𝓹. Rip. 𝓬𝓵𝓲𝓹. Okay. That was so crazy. But yeah, I have no words. We should totally climb that. I'm gonna push this guy. Oh, he left. Okay. I have to have, it's like a 15-second cooldown, so. Oh my gosh, who are you? That is inhuman. You need to be pushed. Clown SpongeBob. Teehee. No! Push! No! Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna push all these people over here. Oh, I pushed them. I'm gonna push them all in a second. Okay, we have a few more seconds to cool down. I'm gonna push this guy too. Come on. Let me push. Here's what it actually looks like to push. Wait, sure. Oh, I pushed them both! Ha 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 ha. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's a lyric, Frank. I think. Yep, definitely a lyric break. But yeah, let's try to get up there. Okay, I'm gonna push some more people. Ooh, we gotta push this guy. He's weirdly tall. I'm gonna push this guy again. Oh my gosh, never mind, I give up. I wanna push a really tall guy. Where is he? Actually, no. I wanna push her. Ha! Oh my gosh! I'm kicking them! Ah! Oh, I finally got him! Mwahaha! Haha! I'm so mean! Oh my gosh. I want to see what happens when you push her. I want to push somebody. Let me push people. I hate the countdown thing. Oh, good. Okay, I gotta get some other people. Oh my gosh, I got pushed. Yas. Teehee. Oh wow, that's so sad. Hey, he's getting it now. Oh my gosh, you got the big woman down. I want to get on top of her. I want to ride you. Let me ride you. Let me ride you. I want to piggyback ride. I want a piggyback ride. All right, I'm pushing you. Oh, I'm getting you now. I see you. You're getting it, boy. Oh man, I can't get him. Okay, I think it's been like 15 seconds now. I'm getting you. Oh my gosh, it's not letting me push. All right, I'm going. All right, I'm going to climb these stairs. Oh, no, I want to climb these first. You just have to... Look at this world. One time, I spawned up at the top of this tower. No joke. And it was so cool. Okay, ready? We're going to this mode, and then we're going to fall. What? You're supposed to fall. Whatever. Yeah. Oh man. Are we even halfway down? Oh my gosh. Get away from me. I'm gonna get her. Oh my gosh, what the heck happened? Oh, it's him again. 𝓀𝓲𝓵. Oh my gosh. I can't. It's him again. I can't. You are too OP. Oh my gosh. Ha ha ha. Oop. Ha ha. Oh man. This is kind of... Wow. This guy's too OP. I'm not going near them anymore. Sorry guys, I haven't been talking. I've just been like in awe of this guy. Ooh, her. I'm gonna push you. Ah, ha, ha. Wait, what? You should have fell. Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna climb these stairs. Let's hope it doesn't. Oh my God! Stop. What the? Wow. I have no words. What the heck? Get away from me. He tried to get me, but he didn't. All right, guys, I'm going to climb these stairs. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. That's not as bad as that tower over there, though. We're lucky that. We're lucky that we're not climbing that tower. Actually, I think I'm going to try to climb the top. To the top of the tower. What if I could jump from here to that window? Would I try that? Okay, we made it to the top. That wasn't that hard. Okay, ready? Sheboygan! Roll! I just... Ow. Oh, wait, did I just stand up? I didn't mean to. I'm gonna do this again. Okay. Wow. This is the most painful thing I've ever felt in my life. Ow. Oh my gosh. This man. I'm jumping on him. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go push her and then get away. Oh my gosh. How did he do that? Is she gonna reset? Please reset. I'm gonna get you. Where did that girl go? Oop, I just got pushed. Get off of me! Ah. Where did that girl go? I want to push her down again. Get away! I don't trust that guy. Okay, let's push more people. Push! No, I want to go in this. No, don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. Let me up. Okay, stop it. Bye. I don't trust your friend. He's gonna kill me. I'm gonna get this guy. Oh. Oh, I got her. Nice. I don't trust you. Oh my gosh, he is too overpowered. It is unreal. I'm gonna push all these 3 people. Oh wow, that was so good. I'm so proud of myself. Yay! Wow, I just did parkour on all 3 of them. I'm gonna get them all again. Oh, I only got 1. Oh, 2. Hey there. I like your hat. Okay. I want to get that girl, but I know he's really close to her. Ah. Okay, I'm so mean. I'm going in this cannon. Shablamo! Oh no. Oh my god, get away! Get away! Get away! Ah! I can still reset. Oh my gosh. You're so mean. But hey, at least I got them down. Ha, ha, ha. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna push you then. Bruh. Oh, it was a double push. Oop. Oh, that is weird. That's why I pushed. All right, I'm gonna climb up this tower. Actually, oh no, don't leave, don't leave! Why do you always have to leave me? I'm gonna push this guy again, or I'm gonna push this guy because he looks sad. No. Oh my gosh! I keep trying to. Hey, I just reset, so. Resetting isn't that bad. Oh my gosh, my computer just glitched. Okay. What the heck is happening? Let me... Oh my gosh, my mouse is like messing up. I don't know what's going on. Okay, fixed it. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh my gosh. How does he do that? I don't trust you. You're too OP. Okay, I got him. At least I got them down. You're coming to follow me, huh? Oh my gosh. Finally. Okay. I can just go back like this, right? Sweet. Sure, I'm gonna get as far as I can. Oh, look at that dude. They got really far. Oh, I almost got as far as them. Wow, I'm impressed with myself. We just dropped ourselves over there. Now, heading back. That guy is just... No. That isn't fair. Ah ha ha ha! Ho 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 ho. Oh, head in the dumpster, huh? Yeah. Oh, I feel bad for you. This is where you living, huh? Yeah, this is where I belong. This should be in a movie. Okay, let's go. Have a nice life in the dumpster. You're weird. Oh, did he just... Oh, no, I just toggled myself. I'm gonna push you. Who are you? You're weird. Get away. Oh my gosh, you're so mean. This poor woman. Oh my god. I'm gonna push these girls again. Ah! Why are they still up there? Okay, I'm creeped out now. I'm shooting myself in this cannon. Shablemo! Oh, we never went into the pool. Let's go. I can't believe you can't push that one guy. It's not fair. Maybe he's like a hacker. Oh my god. Oh. What the heck is happening? Okay, that was weird. You can like see underwater, but like it's upside down. And I can see here and I can see my hands, but that's really weird. I don't like that. You press T to like toggle something. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna push this woman. Get me up! Okay. Okay, they're up there, so I can't get them, but that's fine. Okay. Ah ha ha ha! Okay, don't come get me, psycho verb. I totally just got him though. Okay, let me see where his user is. He's a premium, but so am I. I don't understand. Let me push her. Ugh! Pushing all of you. That was great. Okay. I didn't think I could fit under there. Okay. Tall woman. Hello there. Time to get you down. Ha ha ha. Can I get on your back? Can you give me a piggyback? I'm gonna get you, Ben person. Yeah. That's what I thought. Oh wait, why are you falling down? Why aren't you falling? Ha. Why are you looking so smug? Huh? 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 I'm gonna go push you. You stop it. Ha ha. I'm so mean. Oh my gosh. Everybody's so mean. But hey. Oh yeah. Yo, down. I got a band note. Oh. Band note. Okay. I'm gonna get you. What? I totally got her. Okay, that's enough. That person up there. Oh. Oh, how are you running like that? That's cool. Ah. We have another chef. I'm so mean, guys. I'm sorry. It's nothing personal to anybody, but I just really like getting people. I just really like pushing people. That's not very good, but well, in this game it's really fun. Apart from that guy, he is just not. No. Okay, this is fun. This looks fun. You just get exploded. Oh, wait a sec. I want to go in this thing. No. Okay. No. I'm gonna push you. Hey, what you doing on my head? What you doing? All right, what do we do now? Actually, I really want to go on this. So let's do something else till the time comes. I'ma push this guy. Oh, close. Okay, I gotta push these people. I changed my username, as you guys know. I'm gonna push him into her. Ooh. I just got pushed. Oh my gosh. How do you buy those? Like, are they like a Game Pass? Like, I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna push the really tall person. Did I get her? No, you didn't fall. Oh, yep, you did. Ah ha ha ha. Oh my. Yeah. Tee. I say that way too much. I'm gonna push you. I'm gonna push you both. I'm gonna push you. Okay. I want to go in this now. Oh, wow. Nice pirouettes, my friend. What? They just... Wow. Well, I don't think we have enough time for this. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I enjoyed pushing people a bunch. And, oh, hello there, Psycho Chef. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please join my Discord server, and so you can hang out with me and other fans if you haven't already and you have Discord. And also join my Roblox group. So, oh, don't even, okay. You guys are about to throw a bomb on me. Okay. Join my Discord group and my Roblox group to check out this awesome 𝓯𝓵𝓲 merch that 𝓯𝓵𝓲 has fallen in love with. Right, 𝓯𝓵𝓲? Yep, I think that's a yes. So, yeah. Also, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys. Guys, wait. This is going to be a perfect time to, like, end it off. Yay! Okay, it's very glitchy, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the flippity flip. Wow!